What's going on, y'all? TKO, Sneakers in the Fox. Shouts out to Instagram, shouts out to YouTube, IGTV, however, Twitter, Facebook, however you tune in to watch my videos. Welcome to the show for the day. What we got for you today is the most highly anticipated Puma to drop so far this year. I was telling another Puma head that this release is equivalent to the release of the Air Jordan 4 Breads. This is just how big it is for Puma. It's a re-release. It's an OG of Ralph Sampson. Ralph Sampson was a basketball player. Played for the Houston Rockets. He had actually 4 years of 2014 before he started getting injuries. And he's known for pretty much revolutionizing the big man. So before you had the KD, the 7-footers, Nowinski, Kevin Garnett, big 7-foot guys that could move, shoot. This was Ralph Sampson. So he really revolutionized that big man position. And he was a big signee of Puma. And this is a release of his sneaker. If you go to my Instagram, you look at my Throwback Thursday I did about a month ago. I touched on Puma in the basketball evolution. And you know how Puma was involved with basketball and the players that they had signed, you know, from Clyde, and y'all all know the Puma Clydes, Terry Mills, and there was other players. You got to check out the post of how involved in the players that Puma had. And now Puma's made that comeback with Puma basketball with the Clyde Courts, the Uproars, re-releasing the Palace Guards, and that's what has brought Puma. I don't know if you guys know, if you also go to sneakersinthefox.com, that's the website, sneakersinthefox.com, you will see that Puma has actually had the highest selling or grossing first quarter of 2019. And this has actually been a record year for Puma. Get this bug out of here. It's been a record-setting year, actually, quarter for Puma. This is their highest selling. So they beat out Nike and they beat out Adidas. And I think Puma has really been able to capture the new age of marketing, which is utilizing social media. Their social media campaigns are crazy. They have loyal fans such as myself that support Puma, post Puma, and what they've done on social media has just been crazy, and that's what's brought them to number one. Well, no further ado, it is late. I just got in. It's like 2 in the morning. I gotta get back up at 6. But you know, you gotta keep it grinding. Just got the pickup, and I wanted to go ahead and let y'all see the pickup. I'm not doing no on feet or anything like that right now. I'll probably get that video up over the weekend, sometime next week. Hopefully, I can get the on feet for y'all. So no further ado, just got home. Package was sitting for me. Let's open it up. And these sold out. These have sold out. So thank you, Puma. Excited about these. Here's a dope box. This is from the archive. This is from the Puma archive. And as you see here, Puma, the archive, Ralph Sampson. As you can see here, nice box. So let's get into the box, because that's what we all came to see. Oh, the paper's pretty dope too. What do they have on the paper? On the paper says, I like, form strip, mid Puma, turn it on, Puma sell, a lot of stuff. Okay, take the sneaker out. Ooh, really feel this material is nice. Ooh, yeah. This is nice and plush. I already feel the materials on this. Okay. Yeah. go. Let's do a little 360 of the sneaker first. Okay, so this is the OG Rob Sampson Majesty. As you see right here in gold, Puma Majesty. And let's see, and then you have your other gold hit here, Rob Sampson. That's his signature. These are his signature sneakers. And then you have the Puma logo right here in the back in gold as well. So those are the gold hits on the sneaker. You got your Puma Majesty. Then you got Rob Sampson's signature. You got the Puma logo on the back. This leather is just plush and nice. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but that's just soft and just nice. Oh man. Okay, we'll start at the top. Here's your ankle support with the extra padding. So that's that for that ankle support, the extra padding. What does it say in here? We'll talk about what it says in the inside. I'll take out the insole in a little bit. So here's your toe with the perforations, so your feet can breathe. Get the air running through there. Nice leather. Like I said, the material on this is just nice. It's a white sneaker. Then you have your gray foam strip. Here's your blue hits right here. Then so you have your blue hits on the heel. And then on the ankle support here with the cushioning, you have your blue hits as well, going all the way around. This material is just nice. And then you have your typical midsole, rubber midsole. Let's take a look at your outsole. You have, it says Majesty Puma cushioning, sorry. Majesty Puma cushion. That's on the outsole. Looks like a court right here. 3-point line. And here's the foam strip again in gray. Real nice combination. So it's a white, blue and gray sneaker. Dope colorway. And then let's take a look at the tongue. The typical Puma branding. You have the Puma logo. And then you have these numbers here. These are most likely like the sneaker number. So you have the numbers here. And then you have on the inside of the tongue, it says Puma Max Quality. That's in German. As you know, Puma's a German brand. I'm assuming it says Puma something quality. And you know, Puma does give you that great quality in their sneakers. And like I said, this sneaker right here for Puma heads is the epitome of the Air Jordan 4 breads that are dropping this Saturday. So these have sold out. They're sold out. So if you didn't cop yours, you are definitely going to have to pay to way over the retail. I didn't even pay retail for this. So thank you for my plug. Thank you to my plug, my Puma plug. But there you go. Here's the Puma Rob Sampson Majesty OG. My rating, I don't know how soft it is. I have to test it out. So we'll talk about that. But as far as material, style, and look, it's all 10s across the board for me. I just got to see how it fits and how comfortable it is. And then I'll give my rating. But like I said, to me right now, these are the dopest releases that Puma put out so far this year. I know there's been some RSXs that have dropped, like the MTV, but these right here, 90s silhouette, you just can't beat this. And yeah, let's take a look at the insole. Let's see what it says here. Give me a second to get this insole out. Okay, shock. It says shock wedge. Nice and soft. So, got paper. I always keep the paper in there. And let's put this insole back. So I'll do that later. So here you go. Is the Puma Ralph Sampson, Majesty, OG. I want y'all to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think about these bad boys. Were you able to cop? Were you not able to cop? Will you cop? Do you think there's going to be a re-release of this particular sneaker? Let me know what y'all think. Are you willing to pay over retail? Because I've seen some places selling for like $200, $250, and this is a $90 sneaker, and they're selling them for like $200. So let me know if you would pay that amount or you're just going to wait. I'm sure if they drop another one, Ralph Sampson did have the one with the red foam stripes, and you know, he would play for the Houston Rockets in their colors, white and red, so it pretty much matched the jersey. But here you go. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe. Make sure y'all check out the website. Here's an exclusive. I got this Sneaks in the Hat snapback. I'll let y'all know when this is dropping online, but right now what you can get, I have 2 different types of t-shirts that are available right now. Sneakers and Fox t-shirts that are available on sneakersandfox.com. Make sure you go cop and support your boy. Support. So no further ado, make sure you follow me